Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunity from Amazon. Work from home jobs viewers. Role is seller support associate position. Even fresher can apply if you done your graduation in any stream. For selected candidates, salary is 4 lakhs per annum. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, please do subscribe channel to receive all latest job updates time to time. Viewers, as we know, company Amazon, role seller support partner associate. For selected candidate, salary varies between 2,50,000 to 4 lakhs per annum depending upon the qualification and as well as experience. Any graduates can apply for this position. Basic qualification: bachelor degree in any discipline with 0 to 1 year of experience, excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We have 24/7 environment including night shifts. Shifts are decided based on the business requirements. So we had weekly off, 5 working days, 2 week offs. During first 4 months, training and transition, no unplanned leaves are allowed. This is a very important point. So no unplanned leaves are allowed. Ability to use desktop, laptop and familiarity with internet browsers, Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook and MS Office. And as it is work from home job viewers, home environment free from background noise where you can connect to the internet, work on your deliverable. Should be have good internet connection with minimum speed of 20 Mbps or better, should have at least 100 GB data from reliable provider. Should have access to mobile phone at all the times from reliable provider. Should have power backup also because as we are working from home. Should be willing to interact with seller over emails, calls, chat depending upon the business need. So viewers, roles and responsibilities includes seller support associate, demonstrate end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provide exceptional support to the sellers. And candidate need to have presentation skills which he need to present very effectively, clearly and professionally written and oral communication. Provide prompt and efficient service to the Amazon seller and merchant including appropriate of seller issues. So he need to solve seller issues also. Maintain positive and professional, always portraying the company in a positive light and effectively managing the sensitive issues. As we discussed, excellent demonstration skills and as well as work independently and be a good team player in order to reach our targets. Contribute to a positive team environment, proactively aids the team members with difficult to contact us as needed. Actively seek solution through logical reasoning, data interpretational skills, identify trends to appropriate channel including improvement suggestions. And always viewers, be a middle person, with other departments as customer service, merchant investigation, payment teams as required to resolve seller issues and questions. So you need to deal with different kind of people and solve their issues. Like we need to be coordinated with payment team and as well as merchants and as well as customers to resolve seller issues. So those who are interested viewers, mainly eligible, can apply for these positions. If you done your graduation in any stream with good communication skills, even fresher can also apply for this position. Hope this video is useful for you viewers. I am going to provide a link of Amazon in the description. Through link you can apply for this particular position. Hope this video is useful for you viewers. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. And please do subscribe our channel to receive all job notification and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you very much.